Hi, welcome to our channel Siri Max Class. Today in this number system chapter, I will explain product of a divisors of a given natural number. Okay. Okay, our concept is product of divisors of a given natural number. Natural numbers we can denote the letter capital letter in all counting numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. All are called as natural numbers. This is denoted by capital letter N. Standard form of N equal to what is the condition here? P1 to the power of N1 into P to the power of N2 into P3 to the power of N3 into and so on into Pk to the power of Nk. This is the standard form of a given natural number. See here two values are there, two variables are there. What is these variables? P1, P2, P3 and Pk. These all are prime numbers, different prime numbers. And see here N1, N2, N3 and so on Nk. These all are natural numbers. Once again P1, P2, P3 and so on Pk are different prime numbers. And N1, N2, N3 and Nk are natural numbers. Okay. Okay, number of divisors, what is the condition here? What is the formula? N1 plus 1 into N2 plus 1 into and so on into Nk plus 1. Okay, this is the standard form of the given natural number, and this is the number of divisors of a natural number. N1, N2 are natural numbers. Yes. What is our condition? Product of divisors. Okay, here what is the formula? N equal to N to the power of 1 by 2 into N1 plus 1 into N2 plus 1 and so on Nk plus 1. See here N equal to what is the formula? N to the power of 1 by 2 of N1 plus 1 into N2 plus 1 into and so on Nk plus 1. See here all these values are in the form of d of n. Yes. So here in this formula we can write all these values plus d of n. Yes. So what is our condition? N equal to N to the power of 1 by 2 into bracket of d of n. Okay. Okay. See here N equal to what is the product of divisors formula? N equal to N is a natural number. N equal to N to the power of 1 by 2 into N1 plus 1 into N2 plus 1 into and so on Nk plus 1. Okay, these all are in the form of d of n. Okay, so here in these all values were simply we can note down d of n. So what is the condition? N equal to N to the power of 1 by 2 into d of n. Okay, see here one example and we can solve and we can find out the product of divisors. Okay. Okay, I am taking number 18. Okay, see here I am taking the number 18. First we can note down the standard form. What is the standard form condition? P1 to the power of N1 into P to the power of N2 and so on. P1, P2 are prime numbers. P1, P2 are bases na? Bases are prime numbers. So here 18 we can be converted into prime factors. Okay. First of all 18 we can note down 2 into 9. Yes. 2 into 9, 2 9s are 18. See here, 2 is prime number, yes, it is prime number. 9 is composite number, yes, it is composite number. So 9 we can again convert into prime number. Okay, 2 into 9 we can write 3 into 3, yes. Okay, see here, 2 is prime number and 3 also prime number. Okay, here how many 2's are there? Only 1 2 is there. So we can write 2 power 1 into, here how many 3's are there? 2 3's are there. So here we can write 3 to the power of 2. Simply we can call 3 square. 2 power 1 into 3 square. Okay, see here, what is this? Is in the form of p1 to the power of n1 into p to the power of n2. See here, p1 p2 are bases, different prime numbers, n1 n2 are natural numbers. See here p1 p2 values are, p1 value is 2, p2 value is 3, and n1 value is 1 and n2 value is 2. Okay, here standard form already we know. Next we can find out the number of divisors of a given natural number. D of n. What is the condition here? What is the formula? n1 plus 1 into n2 plus 1. n1 plus 1 into n2 plus 1. Okay, see here, n1 plus 1 into n2 plus 1. What are the n1 and n2 values? Already we know. Yes, n1 value is 1 and n2 value is 2. So here we can substitute these values. n1 value is 1. So 1 plus 1 into n2 value is 2. So here we can write 2. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 value is 3. So 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now we can find out the product of divisors. What is the formula here? N equal to n to the power of 1 by 2 into d of n. Okay, see here, d of n value is 6. What is the n value? N value is 18. So here we can take 18 to the power of 1 by 2 into, what is the d of n value? D of n means nothing but d of 18. Yes, what is the value? 6. Okay, see here, 1 by 2 of 6, that is nothing but 18 to the power of 1 by 2 into 6. Okay, see here, 2 table how many times cancelled here? Here 1 time and here 3 times. Okay, 3 into 1 is 3. So the answer is 18 cube. Okay, by using formula we get the answer is 18 cube. Now we can find out the factors and now we can product. What we get the answer we will check. Okay. Okay, see here I am taking the number 18. First of all, we can find out all the factors. What are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay, see here, all these are the factors of the given number 18. Now we can find out the product of divisors. Product means into. Yes, here we can find out 1 into 2 into 3 into 6 into 9 into 18. What we get the answer? We get the answer is 18 cube. Okay, by using formula we get the answer 18 cube, and here we can taking the example 18 and we can find out all the factors, and here we can find out the product. We get the answer 18 cube. By using formula and we can find out the factors and solve this, we get the answer, both are same, but 18 is a small number, that's why we can find out the factors easily and product also very easily. But we can take large numbers, more numbers, 2 digit or 3 digit, 4 digit numbers, we can find out very difficult. So we can use the formula, we get the answer is very easily, that's why we are using the formulas. Okay, thanks for watching.